If you've ever wished you could have a casual chat with Elon Musk about colonizing Mars, or if you're just having a bad day and don't have anyone to talk to, this video is for you. Meet Character AI, an AI-powered chat service that allows you to communicate with anybody or anything, including personal assistants and celebrities. While it isn't the actual thing, it's fairly close. So how does this work? What purpose does it serve, and how can it benefit you? Let's get right into it. What is Character AI? Character AI is a chatbot service powered by AI that uses custom-built deep learning models. The platform relies on neural language models. The chatbot employs natural language processing, NLP, to interpret information when a user enters information. The bot tries to determine the user's purpose based on the input. It needs to grasp the conversation's context in order to respond appropriately. The platform is currently in beta, so when you engage with a character and rate its responses, you contribute to the character's development. You can also contribute by developing your character, but we'll get into that later in the video. It includes text-to-speech functionality, allowing you to converse with the characters rather than typing them. Remember that no matter how convincing a response appears, it was generated by a bot rather than a real human. The characters on this site are good at seeming to be real. While most characters on this platform are courteous, some can be unpleasant. A small level of profanity is permitted, and some characters may do so. Certain characters can generate visuals during a chat. These visuals will vary depending on the topic of the current debate. Noam Shazier and Daniel DeFreitas, the inventors of Character AI, previously worked at Google Brain, Google's AI research center. Character AI was launched in September 2022 and is now one of the world's most popular AI conversation platforms. Chatting with Character.ai. You select a character from the possibilities presented on the platform. In this example, we will select Elon Musk and converse with him. The character of Elon Musk will begin with a line as an introduction. Then, you'll have to compose a line, exactly as in a normal chat. This is the chat we had. It's rather hilarious. There are some very odd characters like chair and cheese. Keep in mind that a delusional supercomputer will not provide accurate data. Conversations with bots are similar to chatting to strangers. You cannot take their answers as fact. It is an inventive tool, not a fact-finding device. Creating a character. Open Character AI and then click the Create button on the left panel. You will be given the choice of creating a character, persona, or room. Select Create a Character and a form will appear. We invented a character named Jerry Seinfeld based on the real-life comedian, so why not? If you want your character to be able to make images, turn on the image generating switch. Character visibility is the characteristic that determines who can speak to this character. If it is set to public, anyone who visits the website can interact with it. If you mark it as unlisted, it won't show up on the website, but you are able to share the link with other users who can engage with it. And if you keep it secret, only you can communicate with it. You can use any local image as the avatar or have the AI tool build one for you. You can skip the avatar if you choose. We instructed it to generate an image, and here it is. It's not at all similar, but we'll use it. Now click on Create and Chat. That's it, your character is ready. As you can see, the responses are fairly accurate, and it didn't require any coding. Creating and chatting with your characters is quite simple. It is not a must to produce real-life celebrities. You can make anything, including a gaming boy or an explorer, or even a door, giving personality to your characters. Character creation can be enjoyable if you come up with original characters. You can, for example, select household items such as a light bulb. You can also give your character emotions, such as being grumpy, anxious, or needing a vacation. You may even include talks by providing responses for the AI to learn from. User personas. Character AI allows you to be almost anyone. You can customize your user persona and select a profile that you prefer. This difference will be reflected in your talks as well. You can be creative and take on various personas. In real life, you might be anyone, but with Character AI, you could be your favorite anime character. Multi-bot conversations. Rather than having a one-on-one interaction with a bot, you may set up a chat room and add many bots. In fact, you don't even need to talk there. Just let the bots communicate with each other. Click on Create in the left panel and select Create a Room. Choose a room name and the personalities you want in it. it will display your most recent characters. Pick a few of them and assign them a topic to discuss. Then click Create, and your room will be ready. This will generate a chat room in which all characters will enter and introduce themselves. You can initiate the chat, and they will begin to debate the issue. Benefits of using Character AI. We have already established that Character AI is a terrific way to interact with many personalities and gain new viewpoints. From Harry Potter, Elon Musk, Beyoncé, Super Mario, and Vladimir Putin. But the main benefit and most popular is Character AI as psychologist. People have created over 475 bots with the titles Therapy, Therapist, Psychiatrist, or Psychologist that can communicate in multiple languages. Some of them are what you may call entertainment or fantasy therapists, such as Hot Therapist. However, the most popular are mental health aides like therapists, who have received 12 million messages. Are you feeling okay? Psychologist is by far the most popular mental health character, with many users giving positive feedback on the social networking platform Reddit. It's a lifesaver, one individual wrote. It has helped my boyfriend and I talk about and work out our emotions, said another. Blazeman98 is the username of 30-year-old Sam Zaya from New Zealand. The psychology student claims he educated the bot using principles from his degree by conversing with it and influencing the responses it provides to the most frequent mental health issues, such as depression and anxiety. He invented it for himself when his pals were unavailable, and he needed, in his words, someone or something to talk to. But human therapy was prohibitively expensive. The bot's success has so taken aback Sam that he is pursuing a postgraduate research project on the increasing trend of AI therapy and why it appeals to young people. Character.ai is primarily used by people aged 16 to 30. Sam believes that text messaging is the most comfortable method for young people, as they often use it when they can't chat with friends or a therapist. With that said, what are the limitations of Character AI? Character AI is an excellent example of artificial intelligence, although it has several limitations. Because the community creates these personalities, erroneous outcomes, known as hallucinations, are frequently produced. When you begin chatting with the various characters, remember where they originated from, and realize that the most, if not all, of what they say is fabricated. Another constraint is image generation. While you can enable your characters to create images, they do not belong in the same category as other AI art generators because they were originally developed as word generators. It uses strict filtration to prevent any content deemed improper for work. This is a positive thing, depending on what you intend to use it for. Finally, it lacks an API. Thus, even though it is open source, you cannot download it and build your own iteration on a local system. Is Character AI safe? After seeing the talks you can have on such a platform, you may ask if it is secure. You'll be relieved to learn that character makers cannot watch your interactions. However, the platform will keep a record of what you say, with the intention of using it to enhance results. With that in mind, think carefully about what you say and how you say it, especially if you value privacy. When generating personas, you may choose whether they are public or private, adding an added layer of security. Character AI pricing. There are two pricing options. There is the free version and the $9.99 per month. While you can access almost all of the website's functions for free, paying for the premium subscription grants you faster response times, priority customer care, early access to new features, and Character.ai plus community access. You also receive the supporter badge, which lets other users know that you are a premium member. As AI technology advances, we may anticipate Character AI to follow suit. Look for developers to improve their already fantastic technology with improved image production and new methods to incorporate it into your daily life. In the meantime, spend some time experimenting with it and discovering all of its capabilities. Would you like to learn about other fascinating AI technologies? Explore some of our other AI-related posts.